Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been long. I don't remember the last time I posted Aki, and I think I had recorded this video a long time, but I did not have like perfect timing of posting. I was busy. I have been busy with life and unmotivated, but today I decided, let me get back to my channel and do something. So it's just me trying to clean our apartment. I normally like starting cleaning from outside because I pass through the bedroom when taking the water. We don't have a tap outside, so I have to take the water from the bathroom and pass through the bedroom to come and wash outside. That's why I like starting from outside, then go back inside, so I don't take water in and out. Yeah. And today I was just deep cleaning our washrooms. We have 2 washrooms, so that's basically what I'll be doing today because it was a mess. As you can see. So yeah, that's the point of cleaning today. Like, that's the main thing I'm doing today, just deep cleaning our bathrooms. I hope you watch and enjoy. Here I was just trying to show how our bathroom looks before, and also I was trying to explain whatever I was using to clean. I was just using washing powder and jik. I mixed it with water, and then that's what I was using to scrub, because you don't have like a good chemical to scrub it off. Yeah, so that's what I was trying to show, but I was listening to music, so the music was all over and I didn't want to be copyrighted, so that's why I muted it. But that's basically what I was trying to say. And then this sponge, I was just using it, the back side, to scrub the walls and the mirrors. And yeah. So nobody ever prepares you for sharing an apartment or sharing a room. I feel like when it goes back, I have never really lived alone in my own place. I've always lived with someone, whether it's family or friend. And so here, when it forces you to live with a colleague, it's kind of another level. And when it comes to things like for hygiene, I don't compromise. So like kitchen, bathroom, toilet, these are the things that I always want to for it to be clean, no matter where I am. So when I see like nobody is taking care of this, I really don't mind going in and really doing cleaning, deep cleaning it, as much as it's okay for me. I don't mind, because I don't want to argue with anyone. Like, it's your day to day to clean. Why didn't you clean? I just go in and clean to avoid all these unnecessary fights. So yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy to live with people, especially those that you just met for work. I finished the other bathroom. Now I'm starting this one. So I have finished cleaning. This is how our sink turned out, clean. And then I put my things up, but it's fake. It's not the best thing. Anyway, I don't have budget for that. For WC, clean. I'm remaining with this. I will wash as I shower, and then I will just squeeze the water. But at least for now it's better. It's not like it was. Also for the walls, for the yellowish part, it's not too much, so it's good. It's good for the glass also. It's better, not like it was. Here I did not do much. I just cleaned down. The only thing I was doing today is really washing the bathroom area because it was a mess. So yeah, that is the first washroom, and then this is the second one. You remember how the WC had like a coating? Now it's gone. Looking pretty clean. And then also here clean. And I spent like 3 hours in just scrubbing these toilets. And then I mopped the house. That's how it looks. Kitchen area. I already washed the dishes. I'm waiting for... it's already finished. And then yeah, it's already 5. I started cleaning this house around 1, and I've not even washed everywhere. I was just focusing on the washroom today, but thank God it's done. So outside also I washed, so it's not sandy anymore. And that is my laundry. So I'll just hang the rest of the laundry and I'm done for the day. I'm tired, I've not even eaten.